Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Automotive Care. As we all know that road safety is getting more and more important with each passing day. There are a lot of safety accessories already included in your vehicle to ensure that your vehicle is safer on the street. And if you guys are not satisfied with that, you can also add your own choice of third-party safety peripherals in your car, such as a mirror dash cam. In our today's video, Automotive Care picks 5 best mirror dash cam for your vehicles. The links are already mentioned in the description box, so please watch the complete video. Do subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for further videos. Now let's have a look to the products. The 5th best product is Amaze Fan Mirror Dash Cam. The Amaze Fan Mirror Dash Cam supports 2 kinds of resolution output. The single front of the dash camera is 2.5K plus 1440p. The rear of this dash camera is 1080p with 1080p HD night vision. The night vision features of dash cam allows you to record in the dark. It also delivers clear videos and images even in low light conditions. The 12 TFT LCD digital screen has excellent mirror quality and an adjustable viewing angle. The Amaze Fan dash cam also included a 64GB SD card. The 64GB SD card offers ample storage space and can save more recordings. For connecting Wi-Fi, you have to download the CACAM app on your phone. With the help of Auto Record System, you can lock and protect important files that the loop recording function will not delete on the dash camera. The dash cam also has G-sensor emergency lock current file when detect collision, and it also provide video evidence for insurance claim in a road accident. The reversing assist system helps you to engage reverse gear. The system will automatically turn on the high-definition reversing camera located at the rear of the car, and it can clearly display the rear conditions on the reversing LCD screen. It also allowing you to accurately grasp the rear road conditions, and reversing is the same move forward as freely and confidently. The 4th best product is Lamtto Mirror Dash Cam. The front and rear cameras of the mirror dash cam achieve ultra-high definition video resolution up to 1920 by 1080p. It also equipped with advanced sensors to shoot clear videos when driving and capture clear details like night license plates and road signs even under low light. It also built in high silicon 3556 chip, smooth running, fast video, high quality image processing, stable and reliable mirror dash cam. The full touchscreen dash cam is flexible and convenient, so you can easily slide up and down to adjust the viewing angle, slide left and right to switch the display mode, and it can also be used as a normal mirror. The 170 degrees in the front and 140 degrees in the rear ultra-wide field of view to effectively eliminating blind spots in the field of view. Real-time display of road traffic conditions and provides you with better safety. The rear waterproof backup camera have high light suppression and HD image analysis functions with a parking guide to help you to park safely. It is not affected by bad weather, rain and fog. Unparking and monitoring helps you to clearly record everything that happened after you left the car. The dual front and rear dual dash cam features seamless loop recording, G-sensor, advanced H1264 or H1265 technology, which is easy to install, use and support connection to GPS. The 3rd best product is Viemann Mirror Dash Cam. The Viemann VU12 rear view mirror camera adopts Sony Starvis sensor and high transmittance glass lens, which provides Ultra HD 4K on front view and 1920 by 1080p on rear view mirror camera. It offers you clearer footage and key details, such as road signs and road conditions, and it also can capturing license plates from a distance. The wide front 170 degrees and rear 160 degrees lens dual camera ensure to reduce blind area and recording more scenes on the road. The Viemann front and rear dash cam has built-in Wi-Fi module, which allows you to operate, change settings and view recording videos on your phone via RoadCam app without taking out the SD card. The GPS function records accurate speed and location data for your dash cam when driving. Viemann mirror car camera adopts 12 inches IPS full touch screen, which effectively prevent glare and effectively reduce the impact of rear high beam lighting on vision. The dash cam is equipped with superior Sony Starvis sensor, which improves low light sensitivity and ensures sharp details are captured even in extremely low light conditions. The 24H parking monitor and time-lapse functions only work on an external power source. The loop recording allows continuous recording even if the memory card reaches full capacity. When the car is put into reverse, the screen image will automatically display parking assist lines for safe and easy parking. The second last best product is Volway Mirror Dash Cam. The Volway Mirror Dash Cam will follow your voice commands to turn on off screen, lock the video, or show both video, take photo, video start stop, which makes you ready for a safer and easier driving experience. For the access to basic functions using simple voice commands, which can keep your hands on the wheel, offering you a safer and more comfortable driving experience. The dual cams provide with Ultra HD video resolution up to 3840 by 2160p. It offers you much clearer footage capturing license plates from a distance. The 170 degrees adjustable front lens and 160 degrees rear lens cover total 330 degrees field of view to reduce blind area and capture more scenes on the road. It also equipped with superior sensor, and the dash cam captures sharp videos with enhanced details at extreme low light conditions, which makes it a trustworthy guardian for your car all day and night. The backup camera shows rear view of the car by displaying high-resolution video streaming in the rear view mirror. When the car is put into reverse, the screen image will display park assist lines for safe and easy parking. The loop recording allows continuous recording even if the memory card reaches full capacity, and G-sensor detects a sudden collision and locks the collision footage. The parking monitor functions as a surveillance camera system while the vehicle is off. The last best product is Wolfbox Mirror Dash Cam. The Wolfbox Mirror Dash Cam is upgraded from most rearview mirror cameras with 170 degrees front and 140 degrees. The rear lens provide an ultra-wide view and minimizing the blind spots for safe driving and reversing. You can observe a dual lens display simultaneously with the smart screen split function. The body is more smooth and more suitable for the curvature of the human retina with a 2.5D curved screen. Its original equipment manufacturer looking makes the mirror camera perfectly integrate with the existing mirror. With a built-in high-quality chip, the Wolfbox mirror camera records front and rear with a high resolution of Full HD 1080p, and when the front camera records only, it can up to 1296p. The car camera applied an upgraded low reflectivity LCD to reduce reflection during the day. A 6-layer glass lens also enhances night vision in a dark environment. License plates and other small wordings can be displayed clearly. The dash cam front and rear also has GPS that accurately records your driving along with your speed. You can also view your driving routes with Google Maps through the smartphone app. Time can be obtained automatically after installing the GPS. The backup camera shows a rear view of the car by displaying high-resolution streaming image in the rear view mirror. It also included the upside down of rear view and rear cam mirror image menus to adjust the rear image vertically or horizontally, so it can install on pickup trucks, RVs, or even on the top roof more conveniently. To make the use process more stable, the G840S mirror camera has been fully upgraded from mini USB to a Type-C socket, which can largely avoid restarting, high temperature deformation, and so on. So guys, these are the 5 best mirror dash cams we pick for you. If you like the video, let us know in comment box and share the video with your friends. We will back with another best product.